In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate password in 1Password. So there's a few different ways. I'm going to show you all of them. Now, the first one is here inside your vaults. You can just go ahead and add new item at the top right, and then you can click on password, login, or whatever you want. And here where it says password, when you actually click to input the password, it's going to give you an option to create a new password. And this will open up the password generator, as you can see here. And then you can go ahead and see it generates the password. You can just go ahead and refresh it and then use it whenever you're ready by clicking use, and that's how you do it. However, there's also one more way, and this is using the extension, so the 1Password extension. If you don't know how to use that, or if you don't know how to install it, I have a separate tutorial on how to get it, so make sure you go watch that first. And then from here it says search 1Password, and next to it there's the password generator. You can click on it, and there we go, the password generator will open up, and you can go ahead and then autofill it. You can copy it, you can generate new passwords, and you can also view your password generator history over here for the previously generated passwords. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.